Hi guys, Tourism Queen Worldwide is here at Casa Vicente. They are going to eat their lunch here. Miss Amy is here, the CEO of Tourism Philippines Incorporated. And this is Sir Tony. Hi, Auntie Winnie.
Hindi kasi tinawag ko lang sa akin. Sabi ni Neng. Sabi ko, ito kukunin pa rin yung guys na sa akin.
Sama ng gabi pa. Alas 10 nga, di ba? Chinachat ako dito pag yung music daw. Wala.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko.
Ay, sorry. Nagla-live ka din? Say hi, girls! Agbubuyang Kate. Buyang Kate. Wait lang kasi medyo busy sila. Later, Charlo. Girls, say hi.
Hi.
Boys, say hi. Ems. Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Ems. Justin is watching. Justin is watching. Say hi.
Hi Justin, I miss you so much.
Say hi, baby.
Hi baby Justin.
Okay, goodbye.
Watching ka ba?
Yeah. Those are the staff of Miss Tourism Queen Worldwide from the Europe of Kabugao Association. Oh, saan?
Hi.
Oh, hindi nila makita yung mukha mo, girl. It's against the light. Justin Torrio is watching. Miss South Africa, say hi. Say hi, girls. Oh, those. Say hi. Oh, this is our pet.
Oh my God, I'm a pet.
Oh, sorry. I thought you are pet.
May kulay yung buto.
Hello, said Suero, Julius Denberg.
Paano naman? Pautos naman ako. Alam mo yung bag ko sa taas ng bus? Yung basta black siya, malapit sa CR. Sa...
Ano na tayo?
Ay, si MC na. Pwede si MC?
MC siya. Hi! Say hi, boys. Boys. Ah, pake ko sa'yo. Casa V 2019. PM na later, Precious. Stop na malagip ko. I might forget it. So, please remind me. Hi! Say hi! Mr. Diet, say hi!
Say hi, guys!
Oh, Miss Amy is with the girls. Say hi, Ma'am Amy! Say hi! Ito yung pinakamagandang makeup artist ng mga girls. Pero joke lang 'yon.
Like my page, Links Lamot by Kyle po. Link down below.
Wow! Lakas maka-vlog, no? Ito naman po yung mga staff na nakaupo. Hi, guys. Hi, Ate Kate. Miss Finland and Miss Estonia. Beautiful girls.
Thank you, you too.
Ay, Miss Poland. Oh, this is Miss Kakadiran. Charot.
Ang kayo kikinul at kikinumpol no kasdi
Say hi. You're sure it's okay now?
Okay.
Oh, this is Miss Lipit.
Wait, we're gonna...
Ay, oh my God. Beautiful girl. Buy-buya ni Kate. My friend Miss Malaysia. Say hi, Miss Myanmar. Ay, Ninya. Ay, Ninya. 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 Kuna ni Nicole. Haha, antin yang golipit ko na na.
Sino, Nicole? Ay,
Ipadamos.
take a love you.
Oh, Ninya sisters.
My best friend.
Yeah. Oh, our pet is here. Ay, Char. Ay. Miss Philippines. Ganda at galing. Natural. Tarlac.
Anong kaya? Parang ano, parang tambay.
po yung mga sandal.
Search mo kasi sis, wala ka ba internet?
Naubusan ako ng logo.
Say hi!
Babala.
Oh. Aray ko.
Say mahal kita.
Say mabuhay, Miss Nepal.
Mabuhay.
Philippines love you.
Nepal love you too.
Yeah. Let's love together. Oh, Miss Dardarat is here.
Dito mo na yun eh.
Kapagod mag-live din, no?
Ha?
Oh my God. Tatlo naka-live. Miss Nigeria. Excuse me pa. Say hi. Miss USA. Ay, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's okay. My friend is so busy browsing her account.
This is yours,
Yeah.
personal.
Yeah.
You can do Photoshop.
Hello, I'm from Malaysia.
Europe.
Please support her.
Yeah, this is my first time in pageant.
I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, I really enjoy. Thank you.
Hope to go to your country also.
Yeah, please come. And when you come in Malaysia, just come.
You will be my friend.
Yeah, sure.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Casa V 2019.
Kasa?
Casa V.
Big letter?
No. 2019.
Kasa B.
2019.
Thank you.
Hi, Miss Elena. Say hi to Miss Elena.
Miss Isabella.
Yeah.
Baltikan. Sis, kamusta na sis? Di ba ni Miss Isabella? Isabella?
Wala na siya.
Ano nga?
Philippines just keeps slaying, guys. She's so beautiful. ka nga, later nga, later. USA? Andun. Mars din naging bag ko na ni Jessa. Ni Jessa.
Abay kasi.
Casa Vicente. Later guys, at 6 p.m. they will be having their swimsuit competition at Santa Catalina at Cuesta del Sul. Please come and watch and support Miss Philippines and the other girls. And support Miss Tourism Queen Worldwide. Please do like the page. Say hi, Miss Philippines! Nanonood kanina si, sa Ate Lena.
Ay, hindi siya magpapakita.
Hindi.
Hindi mag-ano, ma'am.
Janica. Nyoya J-Ma.
Na-finish mo na yung live mo?
Hindi pa.
Na-live sana rin ako.
Mag-live ka na lang. Ang bad mo, Mike. Ba't ka nag-live?